You know, boys and girls, it's chip shaving time. We have got for you today the Nottingham Forest Let's Play series. We're going to go from Championship to Champions. It's your boy Chub Shavin. Right, don't worry people, I don't actually speak like that. That is, a voice I do. It's going to come in on the odd occasion. Felt much more comfortable introducing myself that way, since it's the, first vid, get the nerves out of the way. Get those subscribers in. Although, don't subscribe, don't leave a comment. My content really is not going to be worth it right now. So, aim of the series. We're going to take Nottingham Forest from the Championship to the Champions League. Relive those glory days of the 80s. And hopefully, this is how we're going to do it. We got this 4-2-3-1 formation right here. I've made some transfers, brought a few players in, fucked a few off, got rid of the deadwood. See the old transfer history here, the major ins. Calvert-Lewin on loan from Everton, Moise Keane on loan from Juventus. Annoyingly, he's only gone and got himself injured, so he's not going to be taking any part today. So without further ado, let's get into the first game. Brilliant. Great start to the YouTube save. I don't have the correct squad. Right. Michael Dawson. You can be the sub on the bench. That makes the squad correct. What a great start to the YouTube series. He's gone and mucked it up already. That boy, I'll tell you. Got to look after him. Let's get ready to go. So, just to annoy everyone, I play in 2D. Watch the highlights in 3D. We'll just give these boys a little team, so we'll give them a kick out the backside. Way to Birmingham, let's be a little bit assertive with them. You give those fans something to cheer today, boys. Go and do it. First things first, let's sort this out. We want to watch key highlights on 2D Classic. Speed between highlights fast. Match speed during highlights slightly faster. Let's rock and roll. I can see this be really embarrassing, my first YouTube video. I'll probably get beat 5-0 by Birmingham. Let's see what the boys can do. We've got possession. Sirigu knocks it to Varela. Back to your boy Sirigu. Come on, son. Do something with it. Don't muck around with it. Come on, boys. That's it. Pass it around. Play some nice stuff. That's it, boy. So tactical playing is like a Gagan press with possession. So this is exactly what I want to see. And shoots just wide. Come on, boys. Do it for your boy Chub Shavin. So fresh for Hefela. Thiago Silva now with a chance. And that's it. First goal of the save. Albert Domore. Chub Shavin boys go 1-0 up. That's it, son. Smack in the top corner for your boy. So here's a Hefela. Pass it to Thiago Silva, who's the playmaker in the team. Slips in a Doma. Left-footed finish, and the goalkeeper just thinks, nah, I don't want to save that. I'll just push it in, mate. Yeah. Job done. 1-0 up. 61% possession. Really good stats. Seem to be dominating the play. Wait for this to turn round and we'll lose about 3-1. Always happens. We're back to Munich. I did not like the look of that pass. Come on, boy, flick it on. Hopefully we can win this back here. I do not like that they've got 3 players around our 2 centre-backs right now. Go on, Hefela. Yeah, just kick the ball really long. Okay, that guy's left it. Your boys turned it in. And that should have been 2-0. 2-0 to your boys. Half time's in 1-0 up. First day of the season is always hard. Right. I'm going to assertively say, I'm pleased with how things are going, chaps. Keep it up, keep it up. Do it for your boy Chub Shavin. Carvalho now on the ball. Knocks it long. And end of highlight. Classic. I was about to go, big bit of commentary there. And they cut me off. Happens, mate. In the club. in the town, everywhere, on the game, just cut off. Don't know what's it. It's Birmingham with the ball now, Dean, up to Marat. What the hell is that name? One I'm not even going to bother to learn. Oh, and they're in behind, and I've got a really laggy system. That sucks. What has happened there? This has never happened to me before. Performance issues. On Barrow now with a free kick, up to Adoma. Cuts inside, knocks it to Thiago Silva. Heffler's on the ball, knocks it all the way back to Muric. Passes it out now to Silvestre. Knocks it back to Muric. And the big old Heffler whacks it along. Calvert-Lewin in behind now. Go on, boy, go. And there it is, 2-0 to your boy Chub Shavin's team. Passed out from the back as instructed in those tactics. I mean, I didn't instruct him to whack this massive ball long, but good on you, son. Calvert-Lewin runs in behind. That's what we brought him in for. To score your goals like that. Their keeper again, not looking that good. But we'll take it. We'll take it, boys. See stats here, we're dominating the shots. Dominating possession. They just can't handle the Chub Shavin's lads. So Carvalho cuts inside now. And knocks it wide because he's a pagan. Absolute pagan. Ribeiro now on the ball. Heffler. All the way back to the keeper. That looked proper dodgy. I've not liked the way them two have passed back to each other so far. Own goal waiting to happen. Long ball over the top again. Calvert-Lewin. Oh, and there's a good save from their goalkeeper there. These boys know that, you know, if they don't produce a good Chub Shavin's going to kick off. Well, let's make some subs. Semedo's looking a bit cream crackered. Give Jakob a game. That will do for now. Freshen up that midfield a bit. Yo no. We're going with there with a good chance. Free kick just gone wide. Well, let's just run things up. Let's bring on Graben for Calvert-Lewin. Thiago Silva's looking a bit knackered. So that shows Yuri Ribeiro. We'll get him off and bring Jack Robinson on. So we've got 9 minutes left. Looking good. First day of the season. 2-0 win away from home. With the shot stocked out with the save. Come on, boys. Let's make it 3-0. Let's make it a good start. Knocks over to João Carvalho. Back to Heffler. Gives it away. Carvalho gets it back. Heffler again. And end of highlight. Yes. Yeah, no. Come on, Robinson, throw that ball in. Might win it. Good pass to Silva. Carvalho with the run. Silva again. Just going to play him through. Go for a shot maybe. Grabbing Silva. And it's 3 now. Your boys know the score. A couple minutes left now. We just got to see this one out. Jakob now edge of the area, crosses it in. Go on, Adoma. Great save by Stockdale, grab back to Villa, and we've made it 4-0 with basically the last kick of the game. Great start to the season. Great start to becoming champions. Ship to champions. I will get better at this commentary / YouTubing stuff soon, hopefully. Bear with me for a while I get my bearings. Oh, we're going to see the end of game highlight. Come on, boys. Blow that whistle, ref. Put these slags out of their misery. That 4-0 win on the first day. I'm pleased with that. 20 shots to their 8. 60% possession. That's what I like to see. Goal shared around the team. Let's go in the dressing room. Tell those boys in a calm tone. I'm pleased. I'm pleased with you boys. You've impressed the Chub Shavin. You have done your job. Right guys, that is it for today's video. I will see you soon. Just remember, don't like, don't subscribe, don't comment. My content is not worth it yet. It is terrible. Peace out.